Hey fam, it's Linda Word, and I'm coming on showing you guys a technique that's called hair oiling. And I'm using my raw Indian wavy hair. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and I'm using my Alma oil. So the first thing you want to do is brush your wig out. Got this big black basin that I'm using to put it in with, so that it's not getting anywhere and it's not in my sink and it can sit. So I used a small container to pour the almond oil in because I wanted to control how much I use, but that container was not big enough. So I had to just eventually pour it straight from the bottle. But the first part I put in, and to just make sure that I brush it through and make sure that it's getting through all the hairs. I was very leery about putting it where the frontal was, but I just did my best to make sure that it was just on the ends of the hair. But anyway, I'm pouring more straight from the bottle because I felt like that wasn't enough and I really wanted it saturated through. So yeah, I'm just brushing that through to make sure it gets through all of the hair and that every piece of that hair gets some good conditioning and moisture from this product. Now, I am actually going to leave this in the hair for about 2.5 hours. So I started it at 10 p.m. and I ended it about 1 a.m. So really about 3 hours. So I'm going to use my clarifying shampoo that is going to help take the oil out of the hair. As I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is not washed hair. But as you can see, it's not that dirty either. But so the first part was just letting it sit, that some warm water, and letting it sit in that warm water to pull the oil off the hair. And now I'm going to start with the shampoo. Now, shampoo has an agent in it that if the hair is extremely dirty or has a buildup, it's not going to lather. So it was very comforting to see the lather. I thought I was going to end up doing this all night, y'all. But it lathered right up. That oil just rinses right off. So yeah, I was very happy to see that. I might have shampooed this hair, I don't know, about 4 times, but I just wanted to make sure that I got all of the oil out. And the feel of it through my hands is the hair is uber soft. So yeah. Now, I apologize. I have arthritis and it was definitely kicking up in my hands. So I'm literally almost using just one hand to do this. But yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a while, so I just kind of had to push through. So here I'm just rinsing it to make sure that I'm getting all of that soap out. Not all of it, because now I'm going to actually go in with some more my regular shampoo. But here I left it one last time and let it sit for about 30 minutes, and now I'm coming back just to rinse it out. And you can see the water's clear, so it's done a good job of getting all the oil out. So now I'm going to use my Abba moisture shampoo, which is my normal shampoo that I use on this hair, the raw hair. You know, a lot of folks say that it's a lot of maintenance. I don't find that to be true. I treat this hair, at first I was like real careful, making sure I keep a bunch of moisture, but honey, life happens and you don't have time to be messing around in hair, and I hadn't been. I just wear it like I do my normal weave, and just making sure that I think it's the Abba conditioner and shampoo that keeps the moisture in the hair. I really don't use product in the hair at all. So yeah, to me it's not that much maintenance. So now I'm using the conditioner in the hair, and for this, I think I let the conditioner sit in the sink with water, probably about 30 minutes as well, because it's already late and I wasn't trying to stay up too late. But so yeah, I am putting the conditioner in, working that through. Here's where I let it sit for a while, and then I come back and just get all the conditioner out and rinse that out. And I rinse this hair a couple of times because I want to make sure that I get all of the conditioner out. This conditioner kind of shows a little sudsy, so that helps me know whether or not I'm getting it all out. So I'm just constantly rinsing it through until that water runs clear. I think that's the final rinse. Maybe one more. Yep, one more. So we're going to rinse it again. Okay, I'm still rinsing, y'all. But that's the whole thing. You just want to make sure that you get all of the conditioner out of the hair. You don't want the hair to have conditioner in it because that's just not good for the hair. You want to make sure it's all out. So now I just kind of patted the hair dry on a towel. Probably shouldn't have used a black towel because y'all can't really see the hair, but you can see the shine in the hair. So I'm just combing it through. It detangles just beautifully. It's very, very soft. So I was really pleased with that. And I'm just combing it through. So yeah. Stay tuned for the next video, which will probably be later today. But I'm gonna show how I install the hair, curl the hair, and all that good stuff. So thank you for spending some time with me, guys. Let me know what you think or if you have any questions.